Good morning, students. Today we are here to study about how to find the value of unknown angles related to right angles and straight angles. In the previous class, we studied about how to find the value of unknown angle based on right angle. Today we will focus on how to find the value of unknown angles based on straight angles. It means today we will solve straight angle. So before solving straight angle, I would like to solve one question related to right angle. So let's see the question. So students, here your question is find the value of x. It means you need to find the value of x here. So students, if you see question number A, you can find that the angle given in A is a right angle, as because you can see there is a square corner, students. As I have already taught you, whenever the angle is marked with the help of square corner, at that time square corner represent 90 degree, and whenever an angle is of 90 degree, it means the angle is considered as right angle, students. So students, we can see here the value is given x plus 20 degree. Here this right angle, this square corner is equal to x plus 20 degree. Now let's find the value of x here. So let's start with solution. So students, the name of this angle is angle PQR. Whenever we name the angle, vertex must lie in the middle. So therefore, while writing, Q must lie in the middle. So therefore, we will read it as angle PQR or angle RQP. So students, here angle PQR is of how much degree? As we can see, it is 90 degree. Why? Because square corner is shown over here. So therefore we will write angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Angle PQR 90 degree को बराबर है students, because this is a right angle. Now students, after this, here is angle PQR. Now we will see in the question and write the value of angle PQR. Students, we can observe here the value of angle PQR is x plus 20 degree. The value of angle PQR is x plus 20 degree. So we will replace angle PQR by x plus 20 degree. हामीले एंगल PQR को सट्टामा एंगल PQR को भ्यालु x plus 20 राख्छौं. So x plus 20 degree. Now is equal to, we will write as it is, 90 degree we will write as it is. Or now in third step, so students, as I have already told you, as I have already explained about it, whenever we are to find the value of variable or unknown angle, at that time the unknown angle or the variable must be single in one side. So it means here x plus 20 degrees here, we need to find the value of x, but with x there is plus 20 degree. x सँग plus 20 degree छ स्टुडेन्ट्स. त्यसैले अब हाम्रो काम भनेको 20 डिग्री को साइड चेन्ज गर्नुपर्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स. Now we need to change the side of plus 20 degree so that we could find the value of x easily. So विद्यार्थीहरु, x को भ्यालु पत्ता लगाउन हामीले एक्सलाई यही साइडमा राख्ने, लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड साइडमै राख्ने, इक्वल टुदेखि लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड साइडमा एक्सलाई राख्ने र एक्ससँग जुन कन्स्ट्यान्ट हुन्छ उसको हामीले साइड चेन्ज गर्ने। साइड चेन्ज मिन्स +20 लाई हामीले 90 तर्फ लैजाने स्टुडेन्ट्स। सो लेट्स सी x, we will keep x as it is equal to, now there is 90 degree, we will write 90 degree as it is. Now students, we need to change the side of this +20 लाई अब हामीले साइड चेन्ज गर्ने स्टुडेन्ट्स। we all know whenever plus changes its side it becomes minus. so students, अब जुन यो +20 डिग्री छ साइड चेन्ज गरिसके पछाडि +20 हुन्छ -20। सो स्टुडेन्ट्स हेर्नुस् त, पहिले यो +20 थियो, साइड चेन्ज गरिसकेपछि -20 भयो। वेनेभर प्लस चेन्जेस इट्स साइड्स इट बिकम्स -20 को 20 लेख्नु पर्यो, साइन मात्र हामीले चेन्ज गर्नु पर्यो। प्लस छ भने माइनस हुन्छ, माइनस छ भने प्लस हुन्छ। अहिले प्लस छ त्यसैले साइड चेन्ज हुँदा के भयो स्टुडेन्ट्स? माइनस भयो। सो नाउ देयरफोर x is equal to 90 minus 20. So students, 90 minus 20 is 0 minus 0 is 0, 9 minus 2 is 7. So students, in this way the value of x is 70 degree. यहाँनिर x को value कति हो students? 70 degree. Now we can check our answer. While checking the answer, we have got value of x as 70. हामीले x को भ्यालु 70 पाएको छौँ। अब हामीले x को ठाउँमा स्टुडेन्ट्स 70 राखेर हेऱ्यौँ भने x को ठाउँमा हामीले 70 राखिदिने, प्लस को प्लस लेख्ने, 20 को 20 लेखेर हेऱ्यौँ भने स्टुडेन्ट्स 70 + 20 हुन्छ 90। सो स्टुडेन्ट्स यो 90 डिग्री एङ्गल। सो हामीले x + 20 गर्दा स्टुडेन्ट्स 90 नै आउनु पर्छ। एन्ड देन ओन्ली we will be right students. So we can see here value of x is 70 plus 20 is 90. So it means here the value of x is correct, that is 70 degree. Now students, let's now solve questions related to straight angle. Students, we can see in question number B, there is a straight line. It means straight lines represent a straight angle. So students, here angle ABC is a straight angle, as because we can see the angle is in straight form. It seems like it is straight line. So students, here angle ABC is a straight angle. And students, as we have already studied about straight angle measures exactly 180 degree. So students, let's start with solution. Angle ABC is equal to 180 degree students, as because this is a straight angle. Why straight angle? Because this is it looks like straight line. So now students, we all know angle ABC, value of angle ABC is given here, that is 4x. So angle ABC को value students कति रहेछ? 4x. So we will replace angle ABC by 4x is equal to 180 degree. Now students, as we all know, there is 4x. 4 is our constant, x is our variable. Whenever there is constant and variable written together, at that time the relationship between constant and variable is always multiply students. So 4x means 4 into x. So students, to find the value of x, we need to change the side of this 4. Now students, we will keep this x over here is equal to 180 is there. Now students, we will change the side of this 4. The relation of 4 with x is here multiply. So whenever multiply changes its sides, it becomes divide students. Whenever multiply changes its sides, it becomes divide. So here 4, the relation of 4 with x is multiply. Now it becomes divide. हेर्नुहोस् त स्टुडेन्ट्स, यो 4 मल्टिप्लाई थियो, साइड चेन्ज गरेर यता आउँदा के भयो, डिभाइड भयो स्टुडेन्ट्स. दिस इज अपन 180 upon 4. This means divide students. So therefore x is equal to, now let's divide students, 180 by 4. So students, 4 is of one digit, so at first we will see only one digit in the dividend. As we can see, there is 1. 1 is smaller than 4, so therefore we will take 2 digit students. Now after taking 2 digit, we will get 18. Now students, we will read the table of 4 unless 18 appears. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. So students, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. We didn't get 18. If we don't get 18, it means we need to take the one which is smaller than 18. So students, 4 4 is 16 is smaller than 18. We should take smaller one. We cannot take 5 because 4 5 is 20. 20 is greater than 80 students. So therefore we need to take smaller than 18, and smaller than 18 is 16. 4 4 is 16. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now 0 will come down, it becomes 20. Now 4 5 is 20 minus 20. 4 5 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. 45 degree. So hence the value of x here is 45 degree students. Now students, you can check your answer. The value of angle ABC, it is 4x here. 4x, and 4x means 4 into x. And students, the value of x we have got, it is 45 degree. Now let's multiply. 4 5 is 20, 2 is carry over, 4 4 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18 students. See, look at here. We have got exactly 180 degree, and the value of angle ABC is also 180 degree, as it is a straight angle. So students, since we have got exactly 180, therefore this is the correct answer of correct value of x, that is 45 degree. Now students, let's move towards next question. So question number C, there is angle whose name is angle FCB. So students, angle FCB, it seems like a straight line, therefore the value of angle FCB is 180 degree students. किनकि स्ट्रेट लाइन सरह छ स्टुडेन्ट्स, यदि कुनै पनि एंगल स्ट्रेट लाइन सरह हुन्छ भने त्यसलाई हामी स्ट्रेट एंगल भन्छौँ स्टुडेन्ट्स, र स्ट्रेट एंगल को मेजर हुन्छ 180 डिग्री. So students, here angle FCB is 180 degree. Or now we will replace the value of angle FCB. We can see the value of angle FCB is 2x plus 10. So we will write 2x plus 10 here students is equal to 180 degree. x सँग जति पनि constant टर्महरु छन् स्टुडेन्ट्स, constant टर्म को हामीले साइड चेन्ज गर्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. Now students, be careful here, which side we need to change first, either 10 or 2. So students, here we need to change the side of that constant which is free from x. x देखि free को छ, त्यसको साइड चेन्ज गर्नु पर्ने हुन्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स. We can see here there is 2x. So with x there is 2, but this plus 10 is separate from this x. So students, हामीले हेर्न सक्छौं यहाँ plus 10 डिग्री x देखि छुट्टै छ स्टुडेन्ट्स, x भन्दा सेपरेट छ, त्यसैले हामीले 10 को साइड पहिले चेन्ज गर्नु पर्ने हुन्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स. So students, this is 180 degree. Now we will change the side of plus 10. Whenever plus 10 changes the side, it becomes minus 10. Why students? because whenever plus changes its side, it becomes minus. Or 2x is equal to 180 minus 10 is 170 students. Or now students, look at here, there is 2x, still there is 2 with x सँग अझै 2 छ students. You can see, as I have already told you, 2x means 2 into x. So when we change the side of 2, it becomes divide students. Why? As because 2x means 2 into x. 2 र x को बीचमा into को रिलेसन छ students. 2x means 2 into x, 4x means 4 into x, 5x means 5 into x, 10x means 10 into x. So into छ भने into ले साइड चेन्ज गर्दा के हुन्छ students? Divide हुन्छ. So therefore x is equal to 170 divided by 2. So students, let's divide 170 by 2. When we divide 170 by 2, this is 2 8 just 16, 7 minus 6 is 1, this is 0, 2 5 ja 10. So students, here we have got 85 degree. So hence the value of x is 85 degree. Now students, you can check your answer. Here the value of angle FCB is 2x plus 10. So let's write 2x plus 10. Now after solving this, we must get 180 degree. If we get 180 degree, then only the value of x as 85 is correct students. So let's see, 2x means 2 into x. The value of x students, look at here, 85. x भनेको 85 छ, त्यसैले हामीले x को ठाउँमा 85 राख्छौं students, किनकि x भनेको 85 हामीले पत्ता लगाएको छौं. Now this is plus को plus 10. Now students, as we all know, between plus and multiply we must do multiply first. हामीले पहिला multiply गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. So 85 2 जा it is 170 plus 10. So students, 170 plus 10 is 180 degree. So students, look over here, we have got exactly 180 degree, which is your measure of straight angle, and angle FCB is also straight angle 180 degree. So students, in this way you can check your answer. So students, hope you have understood today's class very well. So I would like to give you some questions as your home assignment. Please complete it at your home. So students, here I have provided you 3 questions as your homework. Please complete it. So till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.